Welcome to American Learning Ascent for all of you. My name is Natalie, and I'm a working accent reduction coach in New York. I teach high-tech professionals from around the world. In this course, I will show you the consonant errors I commonly hear, and I will show you how to correct them. This course is dense, so it is okay to pause, rewind, and repeat. Print out the written lesson to follow along and take notes. It is also a must to do the repetition practice several times until you've memorized the sentences. In the repetition practice, I will say a sentence, and then you will repeat after me in the blank space provided in the audio. We will do this 8 to 10 times. Each time you listen and repeat, you will notice something new about the way I said the sentence. You will notice the volume, pitch, specific sounds, and the way I link words together. Try to imitate all of this. Imitation is your key to creating an American accent. Be an active learner. Pause the video and imitate me whenever possible. Finally, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further upcoming videos.